I've seen a lot of busy founders who can't learn AI. If you just want to learn enough, the content out there is not for you. It's 99% agency gurus trying to sell courses. That's not your case. There is a way to fast track this. The secret is simple. Just start to use Claude Code and evolve with him. If you show up into the same folder and you start iterating through your processes, he would auto learn. And the only thing you need is a goal and a vision, and things will appear in front of you. Step 1, download Claude Code. Just go to claudecode.com, paste the command in your terminal. It's done in 5 seconds. This is the body of the protocol. The chat will be in your computer and you will have access to all your documents. Documents that you can also create with Claude and then have a loop that feeds itself. It's more than a chatbot. It can become a computer assistant at this point. So step 2, connect your first MCP. Take a tool that already is in your stack that you're already using. It could be your emailing system or whatever. Look if they have an MCP and try to install it. Email outbound, I'm using Lemlist, connected to MCP, and now it's building the funnels by itself just by giving them the ICP. Customer database, connect that. Your file system, it's already connected to Claude Code by default. You don't need 50 of them. You need 2 or 3 to see the power. Step 3, build a memory. The goal is to have one folder somewhere where you drop markdown files, so just text files, that explains what you're trying to achieve over time. You don't need to build a complicated database at first. But that's the habit, is that you need to save your discoveries somewhere in the knowledge folder. Every word that is in that folder will become the database of intel for your agent and you to behave the way you want. In the case of emails, for instance, you could say, take my customer profile, look at these 20 leads, make a personalized cold email for each in my tone, find this, send it. Boom. You have total personalization for 20 people. Now, step 4 is to run your first iteration. If you have mentally installed this protocol in your mind, it will change the way that you see business. It will change the way that you start doing a task. So an example, problem is when I scrap the data, it's messy. I have to go case by case, each template, each variable to see if it's the right email. Now I can just take the variables in a spreadsheet, take the template, look at the website and make sure that the narrative makes sense. That saves me a ton of time. And actually it's a personalization that I would have not been able to do. The old way is I don't do personalization or I manually do a cleanup script that fails 80% of the time. Now I can ask the agent to go case by case on each entry of the CSV and make sure the template is clean and personalized. In this case, what's important is that the agent doesn't send, it just queues in the campaign with the clean variables and so on. The algorithm still sends. It's still the SaaS or whatever MCP provider that you're having that will do the scheduling work for you. You don't want the agent to do this. And that's the thing. Agents are great because they do mistakes. They're flexible. Now, here's what nobody tells you. AI stopped being generic if you start really to build context around it. That's why I suggest to go Claude Code on your local machine, is because if you iterate on that repo long enough, it knows so much about you that it just stopped taking random decisions. Yes, it's great to generate images, but can you generate images that are consistent? If you want to do a before and after for your clients in a med spa and you want to show them what skincare laser is doing, do you know how real skincare looks like, right? You cannot just ask ChatGPT, create that before and after. It's not going to be good enough. You need to be more descriptive. You can do that on your local machine because he has access of all the notes you had before. And if you do it long enough, the system will fine-tune itself for your industry, and that's where the moat live in AI. So if it is the weekend and you're watching this and you're bored, just use Claude Code, 30 minutes, install it, pick one automation or unexecuted idea that is too small and you don't have the person, connect the MCPs, ask Claude Code how this could work, and you'll go through it. You're just one iteration away from trying it. And that's the protocol. Just install Claude Code and come by once you try one thing.